ஹலோ குழந்தைங்களா, 10ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கிற குழந்தைங்களுக்காக இந்த தேர்விற்கு தயாராவதற்காக உங்களுக்கான சிறந்த வீடியோவா இதை உருவாக்கியிருக்கேன். ஒரு மதிப்பெண் கேள்விகள் ஒவ்வொன்றுக்கும் ஒரு தனி வீடியோவை உங்களுக்கு புரிகிற மாதிரி நான் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். அது தவிர உங்களுக்கு மாதிரி வினாத்தாள்கள் பிடிஏ மாடல் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் 6 இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த 6 கேள்வியிலையும் என்னென்னலாம் இருக்கு அப்படின்றத நீங்க பார்த்துக்கிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னா இதுல இருந்தும் 1-2 கேள்விகள் ஒவ்வொரு பப்ளிக் எக்ஸாம்லையும் கேட்பதற்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. அதனால இந்த எல்லா கேள்விகளையும் நீங்க தரவா படிச்சிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னா you will have confidence to attend the exam easily. வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். உங்களுக்காக ஒவ்வொரு கேள்வியும் விடைகளோட நான் கொடுத்திருக்கேன், பார்க்கலாம் வாங்க. PTA 1 mark question bank. This video consists of all the questions from the PTA as well as from the model question paper. Let us check one by one. These questions have answers to part 1 1 mark questions of 14 marks. Question number 1 to 3 is for synonyms. We'll check. The first question is choose the appropriate synonyms for the italicized words. The question is the mother seagull swooped upwards. You want to say the synonym for the word swooped. Think of those. The options are leap, rush, move very quickly, ascend. And the answer is given in green color. Move very quickly is the right answer. The attic has always been favorite with children. Attic ஓட பொருள், அதாவது அறிஞர் பொருள்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, அது. இங்க ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் பாருங்க. loft, terrace, apartment, strong room. And the answer is loft. It is a 55-foot sailing vessel built indigenously in India. What do you mean by indigenously அப்படின்னா என்ன அப்படின்றதா question. அதுக்கான பொருள். ஆப்ஷன்ஸும் இருக்கு. fully, collectively, innately, specially. The answer is innately. It was the gaunt face staring from the bed that brought chill to my heart. So the options are fat, round, lean and sad. The right answer is lean. When school began, there was a bustle. Bustle is the question. Rush, change, noise, confusion. The right option is rush. And the sixth question is they continue to grapple with the changes. Grapple, settle, fight, move, stop. The option is, right option is fight, B. How cranky he was. So cranky அப்படின்றத word. Options normal, strange, abnormal, happy. So the right answer is strange. His parents circled around raising a proud cackle. So sharp noise is the right option. Blunt noise, high pitch and shout. Trying to revive old childhood memories may prove disappointing. Review, revitalize, restore and rescue. The right option is revitalize. The spoilt child of affluent parents. Influenced, wealthy, happy, poor. The right option is wealthy. Scraping his beak now and again to wet it. Wet அப்படின்னா clean, blunt, sharpen, wet. Sharpen is the right answer. My contention was to make sure that we go by the rules. Contention is the word. Continuous effort, disturbed effort, unhappy effort, strenuous effort. The right option is strenuous effort. He was delirious, sick, disappointed, troubled, force. Sick is the right answer. The whole family was laughing at his cowardice. The options are strength, bravery, courage, lack of bravery. Cowardice means lack of bravery. My mother was asleep in one room upstairs. Grandfather was in the attic. Attic is the question. Bedroom, a room, a space in the roof, kitchen. So attic, a space in the roof is the right option. So with this we are going to conclude synonyms. The we have some more. World-renowned physicist Stephen Hawking is the best example of how. Renowned means famous, special, popular, unique. Famous is the right option. But something shocked him. Praised, blocked, answered, encouraged. Blocked is the right option. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath. Large space, narrow space, small space, deep area. Large space, expanse. He said in a hopeless tone of a despondent beagle. Angry, affluent, despairing, strong. Despairing is the right option. They were apprehensive and supportive too. Apprehensive, confident, inquisitive, anxious, special. Anxious is the right option. And with that 20 questions from synonyms, we are moving on to question number 4 to 6, antonyms. So choose the appropriate antonyms. அதாவது எதிர் சொல்ல தேர்ந்தெடுக்கணும். டார்க்கா இருக்கிறத அந்த வேர்டுக்கான ரைட் ஆப்ஷன் பார்க்கணும். She screamed back mockingly, disrespectfully, ridiculously, jeeringly, respectfully. Right option is respectfully. We don't have to use any means of repulsion. Attraction, distaste, hate, horror. Attraction is the right answer. I indulged in banking. Took part, participated, abstained, yielded. Abstained is the right option. The project was taken in consonance with the national policy. Agreement, constant, disagreement, harmony. Disagreement is the opposite. The sun was soothing, pleasing, relaxing, disturbing, burning. Burning is the opposite. Sixth question is, she picked up a shoe and whammed it through the window. Tapped, through, struck, pulled. We look forward to a more inclusive way of learning instead of the cloistered existence. Enclosed, detached, opened, united. Opened is the right answer. Nothing, he said gruffly. Happily, roughly, sadly, plainly. Happily is the right answer. Boost the morale in the country. Fear, attitude, mettle, confidence. Fear. The little man was startled, surprised, excited, saddened, at ease. At ease is the right option. The birds were chirping at the end of the woods. Chirping. Singing, shouting, tweeting, alarming. Alarming is the right option. One can control the computer screen with a gaze. Gaze means blink. Stare, look, trace. Blink is the opposite. Then a monstrous terror seized him. Released, grasped, snatched, conquered. Released is the right option. The light still shone palely down the stairs. Dim, weak, bright, faint. Bright is the right option. I indulged in banking. Dynamic, lively, energetic, inactive. Inactive is the option. The sick room was a gloomy spot. Dark, dim, dull, bright. Gloomy, bright is the opposite. I am glad that we are able to finish it successfully. Happy, pleased, sorry, joyful. Sorry. The cops were reluctant to leave without getting their hand. Eager, unwilling, opposed, averse. Eager. How ignorant you are, Watson, he said with a groan. Illiterate, uneducated, well-informed, rude. Well-informed. I had counted on the commotion to get my desk without being seen. Commotion, confusion, disturbance, unrest, calmness. Calmness is the opposite. So we can now look forward to a more inclusive way of learning. Further, ahead, proceed, backward. Backward is the right option. With this, we have finished antonyms as well. Question number 7 is for singular plural. ஒருமை பன்மை. இதுக்கு ஏற்கனவே ரூல் சொல்லிருக்கோம். அது நீங்க கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம் ஈஸியா. Choose the correct plural form of algae from the following. Options are algum, algae, algae, algas. Algae is the right option. Choose the correct plural form of loaf from the following. Loaves, 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 loaves. Loaves is the right answer. Lorry, plural is lorries, lorry, lorries, lorries. Lorries is the right option. Choose the correct plural for child, childs, children's, childs, Children. Children is the right option. For syllabus, the plural is syllables, syllabus, syllabi, syllabus, syllabi is the right option. Choose the correct plural for alumnus. The plural is alumni, alumna, alumni, alumni, alumnuses. Plural for deer, can you guess? Yes, you're right. The deer has the same plural. There is no difference. So next question 8 is prefix and suffix. Form a derivative by adding the right suffix to the word document. O-R-Y-I-S-E-A-T-I-1-I-O-N-L-Y. So when we add this shun, it becomes documentation. So we are going to fix a prefix to natural. So super, we'll fix it as pre and it becomes supernatural. So fashion, able will become a suffix. So we are going to add it as a suffix, becomes fashionable. So here is suffix. Form a derivative by adding prefix. Prefix means for relevant. See, irrelevant. IR is added before and we get irrelevant. Prefix na முன்னாடி சேர்ப்போம், suffix na பின்னாடி சேர்ப்போம். So இதுல சரியான இணைப்பை நீங்க இணைச்சி word கண்டுபிடிங்க. So ஐந்தாவது prefix of the word activate. Activateக்கு என்ன சேர்க்கலாம் அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா deactivate. அடுத்து prefix for large, enlarge. அடுத்து excellent, excellently is the suffix. So next question number 9, abbreviation and acronym. Choose the abbreviation for SIM. So நீங்க சரியா சொல்ல முடியும். Subscriber Identification Module is the right answer. So IMF abbreviation சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். இங்க options பாருங்க. International Monetary Fund. For MRI, so the right option is Magnetic Resonance Imaging. For IIT, options பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க. Indian Institute of Technology. The common expansion of CBI, Central Bank of India or Central Bureau of Investigation. So the right option is Central Bureau of Investigation. Common expansion of IIT திரும்பவும் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. PTA 3லயும் இதேதான், 5லயும் இருக்கு. ஆனா right option is Indian Institute of Technology. பாருங்க, the question is repeated. The common expansion of GPS is Global Positioning System. Question number 10 is phrasal verbs. Complete the following with most appropriate phrasal verb. The crew of water and food before they could complete their expedition. What will come there? Ran out, ran on, ran about, ran in, ran out. The right option is the crew ran out. There will be a dash in the office next week. Shut down, maybe power shutdown. It helps to dash the calories, warm up the calories. The air hostess instructed the passengers to wear the seat belts during the takeoff. So when it comes with burnout also will come, but as it is burn off, then doing dash every day in the morning keeps one healthy. Warm up again. Then question number 11 is words. Choose the suitable option to pair it with the word watch to form a compound word. Watch kuda man seta, it becomes watchman. So next alarm அப்படின்ற word கூட clock சேர்த்தா alarm clock. Green கூட என்ன சேர்க்கலாம்? House, green house effect கேள்விப்பட்டீங்களா? Greenhouse effect. Traffic jam, so traffic jam. Boarding pass. Sea shore, seashore. Life Leave. No, it's lifetime. Lifetime is right. Preposition. Question number 12. Fill in the blanks with most appropriate preposition. Mulan heard this dash her tent from her tent. He saw dash the sea now. Near the sea now. There was pin drop silence in the room. The entire province trembled with dread. Keep the books on the table. Peter closed the hole with his finger. The fox jumped the well into the well. Next, question number 13, tense. Complete the following sentence using the most appropriate tense form of the verb given below. After he dashed his lunch, he went across to the window. After he had finished his lunch, the governor was pleasing at the wit of the youth. The medal dash in the attic for 29 long years had been hidden. I wish most of all to dash home to my family, return home to my family. He dashed to the American Academy of Arts and Letters, was elected. Peter closed the hole, dash his finger with his finger. The poem dash about the multifaceted nature of women. The poem talks about. So last question is linkers. Choose the most appropriate linker from the given four alternatives. Dash, he is 90 years old, he is in the pink of health, even though he is 90 years old. Dash, I looked up, I saw Mr. Hamill sitting motionless. When I looked up. Dash, did Muthu solve the problem? But did Muthu solve the problem? Dash, you work hard, you cannot secure good marks. Unless you work hard, you can't secure good marks. Dash, winter comes, he gets worried. Whenever winter comes, he gets worried. Women are strong, brave, and resolute. And is the option. With this, we are finishing our 1 marks. See you with 2 marks in the next video. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தொடர்ந்து நான் கொடுக்குற வீடியோஸ் உங்களுக்கு வந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும். Come on, subscribe பண்ணிட்டு அடுத்த வேலையை பாருங்க. See you in the next video. Bye bye.